maximum difference that exists between the alternatives for that criteria, right? So that will give you the value in the discordance set. And accordingly, we have done that for flow. Accordingly, we have done that for flow, head, and financial liability. Ultimately, we have developed the discordance index, where the maximum value of discordance index for the criteria flow, head, and financial liability is taken as the value of the discordance index. Once this is done, we try to find the rules of the strong outranking and weak outranking. For strong outranking, the concordance index between two alternatives must be greater than the strong concordance value and must be less than the discordance index of that same two alternatives must be less than the strong discordance value, threshold value. And the alternatives weakly outranks each other if the concordance index value is greater than or equal to the weak concordance value, and the discordance index value of the same alternative is less than the weak discordance value. Now I have discussed how the strong and weak concordance and discordance values are calculated, threshold values are calculated. That I have already discussed. There are two methods, data driven, and one is data driven, and this is judgment based. And in case of data driven, we average all the concordance index value for all the comparisons, and then add a fraction to it to determine the strong concordance threshold value, and the average becomes the weak concordance threshold value. In case of discordance index also, we average all the discordance index value for all the comparisons, and what we do is we add a certain function, certain fraction